Alright, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Midland MTX275 and possibly an install on the GX470. Stay tuned, let's go! Alright, let's go. I got this on the July 4th sale and it's August 6th right now, so I'm ready opening it. I've been kind of busy. Alright, let's see what we got. Instructions, don't need that. Pretty solid unit. Got the mounting points already. Sweet. Must be the antenna. Magnetized. I didn't order the, because a lot of people upgrade to the stubby ones. I didn't order it. I don't know. Maybe down the road. I'm gonna try this out first. Mount and cigarette lighter power. I think I'm just gonna cut this off and hardwire it. And of course, a sticker. Fuses and screws. That's it. Should be pretty easy. Alright. Alright, I think I figured out where I'm gonna put it. Possibly right here, which is kind of out of the way and easy to reach. The only issue that I might have down the road is if I had to move the seat all the way forward. I might not have that room, but this is pretty easy to unbolt, and which makes it easy to route the wires, because I'll just go in here into the fuse, tap the fuse over here. So, and then I'll mount the handheld up here. All right, let's do this. Alright, gotta make sure you clean the surface really well, because you're gonna be using a double sided tape. Get some alcohol and just make sure that that's really clean so that your double-sided tape sticks to it. Perfect. Get your part. Peel the back tape. And just stick it in. Boom. That's it. let's route the antenna. All right, this is gonna be the hardest part of this job because on the GX, there's not a lot of entry points to the cabin, and this thing is pretty big. So trying to figure out how to snake this inside is gonna be a challenge, just so you know. All right, I was gonna originally mount the antenna up front, but there's just no way for me to get this big old thing through the firewall. So I think what I'm gonna do is mount it here in the back. Probably gonna go through here, up the weather stripping, and up to the roof. So that's the plan. This is the route I went into there, down this channel, down here. Also, if anybody knows how to a good way to bend my sliders back down, that would be helpful, because right now I can't really open or close my door. I basically bent it up when I went to the Rubicon and haven't had time to fix it because I'm still trying to figure it out how to do it. But anyways, back to this. Went up here, down that way, underneath here, here, and then up, and then the antennas right there. So that's probably the hardest part of this install, to tell you the truth. But let me know what you think, and if you guys know a way to bend this back, because right now my door can't close, so I gotta lift it up and close it. So if you guys know how, that would be appreciated. Put it in the comments. All right, she's all wired up. Basically, I cut off the ends of the cigarette lighter, and then wired it up to the fuse box. You just gotta use a fuse tap, and then route the ground, obviously. Black to the ground, red to the power. Make sure you check, make sure it's for the ignition only. That way it's not on all the time. So, moment of truth is, give it a try. Turn on power. And we got power. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video on the install of the MTX275. It was fairly straightforward, pretty easy, not too hard. Weekend project. I can't wait to use it. Looking forward to try it out, so I don't have to use the walkie-talkie anymore. Also, if you guys know a way to bend that slider back down, put that in a comment, because right now I'm just trying to figure it out. I really do need to fix it. I can't open or close my driver door, as well as passenger as well. So if you guys do know how, please comment below. As always, subscribe, like, if you find this video helpful. See you next time.